हाय गाइस, आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सीएल के मॉक का एक बढ़िया डीआईएलआर सेट। क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है, आप स्क्रीन को फ्रीज करके देख सकते हैं। आओ अब हम इसका सॉल्यूशन देखते हैं। तो गाइस, आई होप कि आपने इसका क्वेश्चन को पढ़ लिया होगा। क्वेश्चन कहना क्या चाह रहा है, कह रहा है 3 टोल गेट्स हैं ए बी और सी। वो टाइम स्लॉट पे निकलते हैं 8 से 9 और 10 से 11 वाले में, जिसमें कि कुछ नंबर ऑफ ट्रक्स होंगे, कुछ उनका वेट होगा और फिर एवरेज वेट की कहानी दे रखी है। ये हो गई पहली चीज। दूसरी चीज क्या होगी, मान लो कोई ट्रक आया, ट्रक सी आया, ठीक है। मान लो 15वां ट्रक आया सी 8 से 9 के बीच में। वो ट्रक खराब हो गया तो उसे 1 घंटा रिपेयर होने में लगेगा, और फिर उस टाइम पे कोई और ट्रक आ नहीं सकता उस टोल पे। ठीक है गाइस, मतलब इसका कि मान लो जो भी ट्रक किसी भी टोल गेट में घुसा और मान लो वो खराब हो गया, तो वो उस टाइम स्लॉट के लिए लास्ट ट्रक होगा। ये बेसिकली क्रक्स था सेट का। अब आओ एक एक करके चीजों को समझते हैं। सबसे पहला स्टेटमेंट क्या कह रहा है, अगर तुम पढ़ो। कह रहा है कि ड्यूरिंग द टू टाइम स्लॉट्स द रेशियो ऑफ नंबर ऑफ ट्रक्स पासिंग थ्रू एबीसी वाज 231। मतलब कि ट्रक्स का जो नंबर था, इसे मैं थोड़ा नीचे लिख ले रहा हूँ। ट्रक्स का जो नंबर था वो था 2x, फिर था 3x, फिर था 1x। ये होगी पहली चीज। दूसरी चीज क्या थी कि जो वेट था, ये तो हो गया ट्रक का नंबर। फिर जो वेट था थ्रू ऑल गेट, ये किस रेशो में है, 5y, 4y एंड 2y। Okay. Now, according to statement 2, the number of trucks passing through toll gate B during both time slot was same. So I can say कि if the number of trucks passing through both toll gate B was same, which means that it would be 1.5x and 1.5x, because total was 3x, which was told earlier. And another thing which is given is, and the weight of the goods passing was also same. Weight of the good passing was also same, so I can say it would be 2y 2y, which would give us a combination of 4y after adding. The third thing which is given is a total of 250 trucks passed through the 3 toll gates between 8 say 9 a.m. So I can say that the total of the trucks would be 250. Okay, now another point. The 20th truck that arrived at toll gate C between 8 and 9 broke down just after passing the toll gate. If the 20th truck reached toll gate C between 8 to 9, then it would obviously be the last truck, because it would require 1 hour for it to be repaired, and by that time 9 a.m. would have been reached. So it would be 20. Another important thing, see, it is being told that a weight of 7 tons crossed toll gate C between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. for every 4 trucks. So I can say that for 7 tons, 4 trucks are passing. So for 1 truck, I can say 7/4 truck is passing for 1 truck. Okay, and this would be what? This would be simply the average of truck C. So I can say it would be 7/4. Now, according to fourth point, the number of trucks that passed through gate A between 8 and 9 was 4 times the number of trucks that passed through toll gate C during the same time, which means it would be 80, because it was 4 times. Now 80 I have, 20 I have, total I have. I can easily calculate 1.5x, which would be nothing but 150. Yes or no? It was as simple as that. So now coming to fifth point, during both time slots, for every 3 trucks, 4 tons of weight crossed toll gate B. Again, it would be the average condition that 4 tons for how many? 3 trucks. So I can say it would be 4/3 tons for 1 truck for both toll gate B. So it would be nothing but 4/3. It would also be 4/3. Another thing is, I know that for truck P, the number was 1.5x, so it would be also 150. Now, if 1.5x is equal to 150, I can easily say that x is 100. If x is 100, and for A, it is 2x, which means 200, out of which 80 is occupied here, so 120 would be occupied here. Now, also, similarly for C, I can say that the number of trucks was 20. 1x would be equal to 100, which means 80 has to come here. Now, we have number, we have average weight. I can easily calculate the weight, which would be nothing but weight upon number is equal to average weight, which would be 140. Now coming to fifth point, the second part. The weight of the good passing through toll gate A and B between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. was equal. So I can say then it would be also equal to 2y, and this was equivalent to total weight of goods crossing toll gate C during both time slots. Now see, if the number is given as 150, average weight is 4 by 3, I can easily calculate 2y, which would be nothing but 200. If this is 200, then this also has to be 200. Now if 2y is equal to 200, then I can say y is equal to 100. Y is equal to 100. Now see, the weight of truck C is 2y, I have written here, and y is equal to 100, which means 2y is equal to 200. 140 is already occupied, so 60 would come here. Average weight here would be 3, it would be 200, and the average weight would be 5 by 2. And now we know that weight of truck A is 5y, which is 500, out of which 200 is occupied here, so 300 would come here, and the average weight would be nothing but 5 by 2. So here our table is complete, and we need to now figure out the solutions to MCQ. So the first question is, what was the highest recorded average weight of goods per truck passing through 3 toll gates in one of the time slot? So here I can easily see that the highest average weight was 3. So 3 is our answer. Second question, what was the total number of trucks passing through the toll plaza between 10 and 11? So between 10 and 11, I can easily say that there would be a total of 350 trucks that were passing. Third, what was the average weight? Again, average weight would be what? Total weight for both slots upon total number. Now total weight is what? 1100. Total number is what? 600, which would be cancelled. So it would be nothing but 11 by 6. So I can say the average weight would be 11 by 6, which is somewhat around 1.83. This is the fourth question, which would be your homework. It is simple. You just need to figure out something to get your answer. It is a pure simple case of maxima minima. So you need to figure out certain things to get your answer. And you can drop the answers in the comment section below. Thank you everyone.